Good morning, my peeps. Good morning, good morning. Wanna see what I go on in Vibez kitchen. Flour knead up and make it ready for fry. I know say Vibez are prepare some Father's Day breakfast for himself. I have one little breadfruit over here, so I don't even know if you could, but I go peel it and see what I go on when you done. When I done, you understand the paper? Yes, ja. I don't know, so I have Alaska French vanilla mix. Yeah, man. Nice tea, my people. I have a Mountain Peak. Yeah, man. Double cup. Yes, ja. So I don't know. Vibez in the kitchen upon him Father's Day I go on. Do what is right, you understand? See, ackee and sawfish, my people. Yeah, man. And you know, so see flour pot here. Garlic and scallion in there, burn and pepper. Yeah, man. So, I know watch how I go deal with this, my people. Yeah, people, so I go up on the pot. Just to shoot a little freestyle video now. Morning, my people. Yeah, man. See it? Yeah, man. Pot on a big like next time, people, because I'm going to use the big one today. Yeah. But it can hold flour, you understand? See it? So them have space set here, so. Yeah, man. Put them in and I have some more, yes, I said we are done. Now watch the style of my people. Lord girl. Let's see what going on in the pot, the ackee and sawfish. Yeah, man. And the ackee done boiling on my people, because run a lot bigs around the road, you know. Yes, ja. Now, pack off the ackee. I'm going to rest back my flour them down, so. Yeah, man. Yes, my people, so. I'm going to stay true with my people. See them, my people? Yes, my people. Park a run through flour, my people. Baking powder, nice. Yeah, man. So I'm going to ask my people to make see what I go on and say, where? You see it, my people? So I'm showing you whole strips of what I go on a little piece of saltfish, because you don't know breakfast and not much, you know. Yes, just so I'm showing. I have some breadfruit. A little one beanie breadfruit. Yeah, man. I hold for breakfast that still, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So I don't know my peeps. Stay tuned. You see your shops, my people? Yeah, man. You run the Vibez around the road. I'm telling you, see breadfruit, that's a fried flour then. Come on, breadfruit and fried flour. There, chop up some onion, my people. You know, so I just ackee man and fry pan man, that's it. Yes, my people. Good old sweet pepper, my people. It was scotch bonnet, sweet one, hot one. Yeah, man. This job. Now forward there, my people. Come on, to the strips there, my people. Go for the pot. Up here.
How dare you enter my castle? Do you need help? I will help you. I'm sorry. I will leave immediately.
Yeah, When you in the little fish, same time the little saltfish. No, it's in the people, because I'm like, you know, I come out to me and I'm out, you know, because now we are not today. But I'm going to shame me real fast in the morning. See my pet? Oh, shame me real fast in the morning. Aqui é o nome dele. Prepara, não tá vendo aqui para. Okay. Ready now, people. I'm careful for the next part, my people. My people, son, I don't know how to make the coffee thing. See it? I have to strain it, my people. So the drugs on, I understand, my people. I don't know. Put on a spoon of milk in it. My people. Dash my people. Yes, my people. I don't want no sugar in my people. I'm going to see you want big teaspoon of milk, you go in it or half teaspoon of rum. Yes, my people. As I say, see breadfruit, yes, sir. The flour them on the plate. And the spoon there. I understand it, babe. Yes, Joe. Let me share some ackee and saltfish in the morning, my people. I understand. I don't really eat early, you know, my people, so I don't know. When I see me pack up the plate of my people. When you see me pack up the plate, you go and put on back. You understand it, people? Yes, Joe. I have one jelly man out of doing people in my jelly cheese, you know. Yeah, man, I pick some jelly. Behave on yourself. Stop it. Yes, my people, my dog them bad and hungry now, man, and they smell like a salvage. I want to make trouble. Yeah, man, I don't know enough people say it. Jamaican way. Yes, Ja. Nice cup of tea said way. Yeah, man, I hear myself stop it. And wait. I don't want coffee for drink, but no wait, man. We're not fight. Stop the fighting so early in the morning. Stop the fighting so early in the morning. Me said if you stop the fighting, don't disturb the way I'm sleeping. All over I'm sleeping awake. Yeah, man, I vibes it up kitchen room, people. I don't know. So when I catch me run on the other side, my people. You see it in the paper? Yeah, man, see it. But they're outside, my people. Yeah, man, outside. So my friend them down a jelly cheese and thing. Yeah, man, see, he pick up in the cheese. Yes, just so. I don't know, my people. I still want to give them my people because I'm showing say my father's day we got all of us. I don't see jerk on here, so come here a bit show now. I go have the jerk on. You see the jerk on here? So I'm chicken, I'm going to look a bit for this. Yes, man. Look at this joke I make, watch out. I feel like a joke me I make, you know. Look. No joke. No joke there night. What me say? No joke there night, people. Trouble. Yes, ja. So I don't know outside me there. Outside. Look a kid, go and get a breakfast. Yeah, man, so I don't know, so me hard my people. A nice sexy lady I go in the house, is it? Yeah, man, I'm here this man. So I'm on up in a coconut tree, my people. You see? When I can't see him, when I have to look good for see him. But he up in there. That big jelly. Real charge here all the rope. That's it. So the upper tree
is it?
upper tree up to my people, look at that. Yes, ja. So I'm bunch already, no people. Yeah, man. A nice bunch. Ah, lizard. Yeah, the pave. Nice bunch. Man, charge. Charge, I monitor rope them, man. Nice gel. Gel, I love it, actually. I'm on a little back farming, listen, people. See it there? I don't see the banana here already. You see it? I'm going to cut off some and cook already. Not done anything up, people. More opinion.
Alright.
Yeah, man. See much rare up there. See it there, people. Man, I come down. Get him down.
Like I run on next side.
I play the one, I go drink.
Yeah.
See it, no, people.
Oh, I look a bomb, that's how they did it.
Yeah, man.
Huh? Send up here.
Yeah, one carry up.
Put the ball.
Make sure you're good enough. So I have a big old fatty in my face.
Big old fatty.
When he gets the guy, you can't lift up the roof and jump on your shoulder and run with him. Anything emergency, you can't move with him and blood.
My skill to pop it out the blue.
See, put nobody laugh after I told me. I want the light. I make clean chicken. I want the light, here. Me people. No, sir. That time myself someone want to waste 700 pounds. I don't want it. No, I got money. Jelly bigs now go. So one changan come there. Easy. So one Godzilla. My Asian friend, I don't know people. I say Asian internet jungle blood. People. See them now, my paper. Shining. See it? Yes, ja. So my friend I wash off in yard for Father's Day. Yeah man, we're there man. Yes, ja. Ready. You there?
Chop it on.
You there? Yeah man, I hard boys man, I don't know hella bigs there. We're outside. See it? See on the breakfast on the people, I know I'm not eating. I'm not going. It's supposed to cold like a puppy now. All the tea. You get jelly, man, but I want tea. See it, my people? Yes, ja. And thin, you know, my people, so it take time. See it?
That boy.
See it, my people?
Just beard, man.
Y'all are flashing at me, yeah, my people. You want to blind me like jelly and tell me my face not wash. And you wash it, don't see it, look. We are my people, look how you full. Look there.
Just beard, man.
Ooh.
I'm boss on sweater.
Yes, the people. Yeah, man, I love big cultivation, man. See it?
Yeah, 2 meters to wash out.
Yes, my people. Yeah, man, we there, what a voice, man. Outside, we there, people. Outside, you know? See, I'm breakfast, and people. We need to visit the breakfast again. Yeah, man, big up to your climber. You don't know every time. Only for love and joy. Yes, the people. So, you don't know. You don't know your thing, you know. No want no spoon. You see that?
I want no spoon.
Yeah, real Rasta, and deal with them iron business things, you know?
Know them way there?
Yeah, man. Yeah, Asian man, that, you know. You see?
Boy, come to somebody.
Come in, little man, come drink some jelly. Come in, run, come. Come, man. Left your slippers and come, man. Come, man. Come drink some jelly, man. Alright, my name is become play Karachi. Maya John. You take your time, Maya John. Maya John.
I can't drink a whole lot of them.
I buy the jelly, I drink. Me rascal, I don't come look here. People don't look here. Man, I pose the jelly. You serious? What a boy dangerous. Master God. Alright, my people, so you don't know. Father's Day vibes, you understand? Yeah, man, little more, you don't know as I show now. Jerk chicken and things. Yes, ja.